In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation from scratch in HoneyBook. Getting started, 2026. First, open your browser and go to honeybook.com. Sign into your account with your usual login. If you're asked to verify your identity, complete any prompt so you can continue smoothly into the app. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. This page gives you a quick snapshot of your projects, tasks, and recent activity. But we'll head straight to the tools we need. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. That sidebar is your hub for moving around HoneyBook, and it's where you'll access automations. Click Automations in the left sidebar. You'll arrive at the Automations area, where all your workflows are listed. If your account is new, this page might be empty. Otherwise, you'll see any existing workflows and their status. To build a new one, select the Create Automation button. When the options appear, choose Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank canvas so you can tailor every detail to your process. You'll be taken into the automation editor. Start by defining the trigger, the event that kicks off your workflow. Depending on your setup, common triggers include when a project is created, a form is submitted, or a stage changes. Pick the trigger that matches the exact moment you want this automation to begin. Next, add your actions. These are the steps HoneyBook will run for you automatically. Typical actions include sending a templated email, assigning a task to yourself or a teammate, sending a file or questionnaire, or scheduling a follow-up. You can insert delays so actions happen minutes, hours, or days after the trigger or after the previous action. This spacing helps your communication feel timely and intentional rather than all at once. As you build, keep the order clear and make sure each action is aimed at the right recipient. If you're using templates, double-check the placeholders so names and details populate correctly. Give your automation a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later at a glance. When you've added everything you need, set the end of the workflow so HoneyBook knows where the sequence stops. Before finishing, review the entire flow from top to bottom: trigger, timing, messages, and assignments. When it looks right, click Save, then publish the automation so it's active and ready to run. You can always return to the editor to update or refine it as your process evolves. And that's it. You've created an automation from scratch in HoneyBook and set yourself up to save time on repeatable tasks.